You're probably here because you're looking for a way to cut longer hair evenly. If you are, then the HairFin might be the solution for you. It's a tool that lets you measure hair while holding it in place for an even cut. In this video, I want to explain exactly how our patented HairFin works and a few tips for using it. Because like learning to ride a bike or tie a shoe, there's a bit of a learning curve to using it. Now that the product has been out for over a year, I've seen a lot of people trying to use it backwards. So first, and most importantly, is to make sure you have it mounted the right way. You want to make sure you have the HairFin with the rounded part of the fin facing towards the tips of your fingers. And make sure you have the fin slid all the way back between the base of your fingers. This way, the lower platform should be resting under the palm of your hand and the top of the HairFin should be just above your knuckles. In this position, the HairFin should be pretty stable and stay in place, letting you open and close your fingers. Second, the fin is rounded so that you can comb your fingers into the hair. The HairFin is designed to glide forward, not from side to side or backwards. The fin shape allows for this rocking motion so that you can grasp hair at its base, then pull it straight as you slide the guide into place. You also want to keep your fingers straight and even with each other. I see a lot of people curling up their hand to hold on to the HairFin, but so long as you have the HairFin mounted correctly, it should stay in place on its own. If you do have trouble with the HairFin sliding out forward, try keeping your hand angled up. It's more natural to comb your hand at an upward angle against the grain of the hair anyway, and in that direction both gravity and the gliding action will keep the HairFin in place against the base of your fingers. As you're practicing, try and keep the hand relaxed. Remember, the HairFin is just a guide to show how far the hand should be from the head, so there's no need to put a lot of pressure on the fin. If you're just starting out, try using one hand to pull the hair straight, then sliding the guide into place. If you can do that much, then congratulations, you can probably start cutting hair evenly. But if you want to speed things up, the next step is to practice using your fingers as a comb to slide your hand through the hair and grasp it at its base, then pull it straight while sliding the guide into place. The first time that you use the HairFin, it probably is going to feel a little bit awkward to use. But now that you've got the basics down, I hope that you do find it more intuitive to figure out. As the inventor, I have to send out a huge thank you to our customers that have come back and told us about how the HairFin has helped them. As a small business, we don't have a huge corporate marketing budget and instead choose to spend our money manufacturing a high quality product here in the USA. So at the end of the day, we really do rely on our customers to keep this business afloat. Whether you decide to buy our product or not, I hope that you learned something from this video and I wish you the best of luck on your home hair cutting journey.